What happens when a company that was once known for budget phones suddenly decides to challenge the iPhone itself? A big shift is happening in the global tech industry. For years, Apple was the company everyone followed, and whatever Apple created became the new standard. The company is secretly building the most ambitious device in its entire history. Not a simple iPhone look-alike, but a smartphone designed to reach or even pass Apple in the areas where the iPhone has always been untouchable. People who claim to have seen early engineering prototypes say Xiaomi is no longer thinking like a company that offers strong performance at a low price. Now the brand wants to stand shoulder to shoulder with giants like Samsung, Google, and Apple. And the goal is clear. They want these companies to react to Xiaomi's innovations instead of Xiaomi reacting to theirs. The news about this hidden project started with small clues. Tech groups on Chinese forums noticed that Xiaomi placed strange new orders for special types of glass panels. Then, there were requests for battery units that did not match the company's usual design sizes. After that came patent filings showing new modular layouts, next-generation cooling systems, and chip designs specifically created for premium devices. This was the first sign that something big was happening. Reporters at Taiwan Economic Daily later confirmed that the project is moving faster than experts imagined. Their information shows that Xiaomi is building a completely different smartphone line. It is not connected to the Xiaomi 14 series or the Mix series. A separate internal structure and even a separate philosophy. Inside the company, the project is known as Project X. The letter X stands for exclusive, something that does not borrow ideas from competitors. What makes this project unusual is that Xiaomi is not trying to duplicate the iPhone. Insiders say the engineers are not trying to copy Apple's shape, camera design, or iOS experience. Their mission is different. They want to take the purity of Apple's architecture, the strength of its materials, and the premium feel of its build, but combine it with features that Apple does not provide at all. Things like extremely fast charging, advanced AI functions, deeper camera controls, a hybrid power mode, more software customization, and pricing that could disrupt the entire premium market. Experts at Counterpoint Research explained it in simple words. If Xiaomi really introduces a modular platform and a new mobile processor of its own, they will be competing with Apple not as a budget-friendly brand, but as a true equal in the technology race. People working with manufacturers like BOE and CSOT leaked another interesting detail. Xiaomi is testing a new type of glass unibody that looks similar to Apple's premium devices. But the internal construction is completely different. The frame has no screws and no separate housing blocks. It is made as one continuous composite piece that works both as the external shell and as a shock-absorbing layer. This design allows Xiaomi to pack components more tightly and reduce thickness without shrinking the battery. Along with the hardware, Xiaomi is quietly working on a new ecosystem that mirrors what Apple achieved with iCloud. But this time, Xiaomi wants the system to be more flexible. According to insiders, the plan is to build a single cloud profile that connects everything in the Xiaomi universe. This area has always been Apple's strongest advantage. If Xiaomi manages to enter this field with a powerful alternative, the industry will not be the same. There is also talk of Xiaomi developing its own processor for the new premium line. This is not a minor update to the older Surge chips. Sources say the company is building a full flagship system on a chip designed around artificial intelligence performance, high-end graphics, and better energy consumption. If the chip becomes reality, it may become Xiaomi's biggest weapon against the iPhone. Apple's strength comes from its tight control over both hardware and software. Now, Xiaomi wants to use the same strategy, but inside an Android environment with deep optimization, similar to Google's work on the Pixel line. Camera technology is another area where Xiaomi wants to move differently. The company knows the iPhone is great in video stabilization. Instead of competing directly in that direction, Xiaomi is testing a system built around real-time multi-frame processing. According to leaks from Digital Chat Station, the new camera uses the neural engine for live analysis of lighting conditions. This allows the phone to produce results closer to a professional camera, but in natural outdoor settings instead of controlled studio lighting. Xiaomi wants to focus not on simple point-and-shoot convenience, but on giving users more professional control. The idea behind the new device is not to become a cheaper replacement for the iPhone. It is to become the opposite of what the iPhone represents. Apple prefers limited settings, a closed ecosystem, restricted file access, and slow introduction of new hardware technologies. Xiaomi wants to go in the other direction by offering more freedom, adjustable controls, fast charging, AI-based systems, experimental designs, and features Apple might not introduce for many years. Experts at Bloomberg Intelligence believe that if Xiaomi launches this device around 2026 or 2027 and keeps the price lower than the iPhone, Apple may face a rare situation. Apple could become the company reacting instead of the company leading. This is a scenario the smartphone market has not seen in nearly 2 decades. In the past, Western media often described Xiaomi as a company that followed trends created by others. But the situation is changing quickly. With Xiaomi experimenting with composite glass shells, designing its own display components, and reducing dependency on outside suppliers, the company is starting to create its own identity. It is no longer a brand that imitates. It is becoming a brand that sets its own direction. Workers from manufacturing plants in Guangzhou gave more details about internal prototypes. Early versions of the upcoming smartphone have extremely thin frames, a full glass body, an under-display camera, a custom AI module, and a construction style similar to luxury devices. These features look more like a demonstration of the company's capabilities rather than a mass-market release. What worried competitors even more was Xiaomi's hiring activity. For the first time in years, Xiaomi began recruiting engineers from Apple and Google. These are not entry-level workers, but high-ranking system designers, power usage specialists, and architecture experts. Their experience suggests that Xiaomi is building more than a new smartphone. It is building a new engineering culture that can compete with long-standing global leaders. Insiders say morale inside Xiaomi is rising. There is a sense that the old strategy of catching up with the West is ending. For the first time, Xiaomi is testing advanced ideas that Apple is not planning to try for many years, according to industry sources. These include composite glass structures, independent AI processing units, and next-generation cooling systems. Consumer behavior is also shifting. Studies show that buyers in Asia, Europe, and India increasingly place Xiaomi and the iPhone in the same category when comparing premium devices. People are now comparing them by performance rather than price. This is a major sign that Xiaomi is no longer seen as a budget-friendly company, but as a true global competitor. Because of this changing perception, analysts believe Xiaomi is preparing to challenge more than the iPhone. They think Xiaomi wants to challenge Apple as a cultural symbol. Apple is not just a manufacturer, it represents lifestyle, status, and design philosophy. If Xiaomi succeeds, the entire smartphone industry will enter a new period. For the first time in 20 years, Apple may have to respond to pressure from a rival that is not trying to copy it, but is trying to surpass it through new engineering ideas. If Xiaomi truly completes what it is working on right now, premium smartphones may no longer be defined by Apple's decisions alone. Instead, the market could become a place where bold brands compete at the highest level, forcing even Apple to rethink the meaning of innovation.